Hey guys, ever heard of the Greek Catholic Union? What does it do, and why does it exist? Today, we find out.
Study. It's my medical time.
When immigrants would arrive in the late 1800s, they didn't always know the language, and due to working dangerous jobs, regular insurance companies were hesitant to insure them. So, local lodges or brotherhoods were formed to which workers would contribute a part of their paycheck, and if someone were to get injured or killed, the family would be able to be compensated. On February 14th, 1892, 14 Greek Catholic local brotherhoods joined together to form the Greek Catholic Union, with John Ginchak Smith as its first president. The Greek Catholic Union published the newspaper Amerykański Ruski Wiestnik from 1892 to 1952, as well as a youth magazine, Sokol Sojedinenia, from 1914 to 1936, and a children's magazine, Svidite, from 1917 to 1938. When the organization was first created, Rusins from both Galicia and the Hungarian Kingdom were part of it, and therefore there were two editors. Dionysi Perch represented Galician Rusins, and Pavel Žatkovič represented Rusins from the Hungarian Kingdom. However, due to the organization's pro-Hungarian stance in certain affairs, a lot of Lemkos and Rusins from Galicia left the organization within 2 years, and they created the Rusin National Association, Ruski Narodny Soyuz, which later became known as the Ukrainian National Association. Over time, the Greek Catholic Union sponsored sport clubs, operated an orphanage, and financed the construction of churches and parochial schools. Today, we are at the headquarters of the Greek Catholic Union in Beaver, Pennsylvania. Behind me is the memorial chapel that was built in 1992 for the 100 years anniversary of the Greek Catholic Union. In the basement of this chapel, there is a museum, but unfortunately we cannot go into the museum, but let's check out the chapel.